I want to control my sugar dragon, stuck out at me. It says, oh, wrong one. Like, how much is an egg? What else can I tell you? When you eat from home, you save so much money. Hi everyone, Adrienne here. I want to give you my Whole30 Day 10 update and also breaking down my grocery costs. For those who don't know or haven't watched my channel before, I'm doing a September Whole30 and keeping track of it for my viewers to show you how I feel and how much it cost me to eat from home for 30 days. And so far I am saving money, and I'm also saving on waste. And anyways, I can go a little bit off tangent when I talk about the Whole30 because I love it so much and helped me get mental clarity of what I want to share with you guys. In the book, it kind of gives you a guide of how you're going to feel each day. The words spoke out at me in this book. Melissa, you are amazing. I am not a reader and you kept my attention. You got me to sit still and read this entire book. And for day 10 and 11, I can't find the page. Where are you? As you can see, my day 10 and 11 isn't my hardest day. I feel like $1,000,000 today. I have tons of energy. I'm sleeping better. My husband told me that I don't look as puffy. I'm saving money, okay? I've been keeping track of what I've been eating for the last 10 days. I'm blown away by these costs. I've only spent $108, and how I'm pricing this out, I'm kind of rounding it. For instance, last night I made pork meatballs with zucchini. I think that zucchini and oregano are buds, and red pepper. Put a dollar value of $3 on this one because the meatballs, it cost me $4.97 for a package of ground pork. An onion, let's call that $1. Garlic, salt, pepper, spices. And then the zucchini was free from my aunt. Thank you, Auntie Louise, if you watch this. And we'll call the red pepper $1. That's kind of how I've been rounding it. I talk about it for days, and I think I went a little bit overboard the first time, so this is why I'm trying to redo these videos. The Whole30 has changed my life. I'm not a reader, and I bought the book and I read it cover to cover, and it was like Melissa was speaking to me. I also have the cookbook for great ideas, and I also have Food Freedom Forever, and why I want to share more tips with you on how to save money while you're doing this. And my experience of it is just that great, and I need to share this with you. I'm eating like a champ. For breakfast, I've been having a lot of chia pudding. I've been eating bacon and hash browns and guacamole. And I'll share some recipes with you, like egg bites with sweet potato and pear in them. Yum! So great breakfast. It makes it easy. You know, chia pudding, it's like pennies to make. You're only using 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and a cup of milk, and that feeds me for 2 days. Throw a piece of fruit in there and a couple nuts and you have breakfast, and it's delicious. Carrot cake chia pudding. I had some grated carrots in the fridge, and see what I mean? I could just go on and on and on. I'm starting to ramble again. Adrienne, stop that. We don't want to have to redo this again. I don't have to calorie count. I eat when I'm hungry. I don't weigh myself, which is making me not focus on that number. It helps me love life. If you want to be successful, you have to prep ahead. So easy just to cut up some vegetables and keep them in the fridge, so when you're hungry, you can go get a snack and eat when you want to eat. One of the things that I find from the other Whole30 YouTube videos is that people don't talk about the differences between the grocery shopping in the States compared to Canada. So I want to show you how I save money when I'm on this plan, and how to get cheap produce, where to get some of the Whole30 approved products, where to get the cheapest coconut milk. It's actually Walmart, $1.27. I use coconut milk a lot. Just make it with coconut milk. You just gotta know where to go, and you need someone to tell you that, so which is why I'm talking to you right now. What else did I write down? One thing I just recently learned is that you could use cauliflower to thicken soup. Duh. I didn't know that I had this much willpower. I'm not puffy, I'm not like crappy and gross. I have more energy, I sleep better, my skin is in better condition. I was getting a rash, I was so itchy, and now it's gone. The reason why you do this is because you want to help your body work like it's supposed to work. I'm eating fruit instead of added sugars. Reintroduction is something that might be a little confusing for people, and I've fallen apart on the reintroduction, so this time I'm gonna try and do it right. So stay tuned. It's hard to eat out when you're on the Whole30. It's easier to eat at home, which is why I'm challenging myself to just eat at home for 30 days. I have been going to hot yoga every single day for the past 6 days. I've never done that in my entire life, and that makes me proud. I'm actually drinking the water I intended to. I have to fill this for the second time today. Been going to the washroom a lot, but they're amazing trips, I tell you. We'll keep that PG. I can kind of open up the Whole30 can of worms and talk about this and ramble on because I love it so much. But if you do have any questions, or if you've done the Whole30 and you have any tips for me, I would love to hear them. It's also taught me how to do a lot of things in the kitchen, like make almond milk or make mayonnaise. How do you get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel? You ask them. Please, I would love it. Please. Read your labels. Do you like mushrooms or do you not like mushrooms? Comment below. Go have lunch. So I'm gonna go get some egg salad and some cut up veggies in the fridge. Done. Lunch is done. Woohoo! This is you rambling on. Adrian, stop. Stop rambling. Get back to the point. Be you, okay? Sit and read. I'm a busybody. I go, go, go. I have endless energy. I already do have endless energy, but it makes my energy just go through the roof.